13.19. Father, mother, father and son line up at random for a family picture. E is the event, son on one end. F is the event, father in middle. Find the probability of E given F. So probability of E given F. Formula is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So first we have to write the events. And first what is the sample space here? What is the experiment? Father, mother, father and son line up for a family picture. Here E is the event son on one end, F is the event father in the middle. So what is sample space? In how many ways they can be arranged for the picture? So the arrangement is sample space equal to, suppose M mother, F father, S son. So one arrangement M F S. Otherwise M S F. Then F M S. F S M. Then M F S. S first. S M F S F M. These are the 6 possible outcomes, possible way of arranging themselves for the picture, family picture. So these are the 6 cases, starting with M, 2, MFS, MSF. With F, FMS, FSM. Then SMF, SFM. Now, we cannot write SS like that. Only one son, one father, one mother. So these are the elements in the sample space. Now what is the event? E, son on one end. E, son on one end. So here sun is in one end, here sun is one end, here one end, S is one end. So sun is one end. What are the cases in sun in one end? MFS, MFS, then FMS, FMS, then SMF, SMF, then SFM. So these are the cases where sun on one end, sun is this end here, sun is this end here. These are the 4 cases. Now F, father in the middle. Father in the sample space, in which cases father is in the middle? MFS, F is in the middle. MFS, then here F is in the middle. SFM, SFM. 2 cases father is in the middle. Now we can write probability of E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F equal to number of E intersection F. What is the number of elements in E intersection? Write E intersection F. E intersection F. Common elements of E and F. What are the common elements? M, F, S here also. S, F, M here also. So these 2 are common elements of both the sets. So M, F, S, S, F, M. These are the intersection, common elements of E and F. Now we can write the probability. Probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F. So number of E intersection F. How many elements are there in E intersection F? 2. 2 divided by total number of elements in the sample space. That is the probability. Total number of elements in the sample space 6. Number of S 6. Divided by probability of F. That is number of F. What is number of F? In F there are 2 elements. 2 divided by total number of sample points, that is 6, 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 by 2 by 6, that is equal to 1. So the required probability is 1. Probability of E given F, that is equal to 1. That is this question. Now question number 10. A black and red dice are rolled. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that black die resulted in a 5. So here 2 dice are rolled. One black die, one red die. They are rolled. So the sample space is same as throwing a die 2 times or throwing 2 dice. Both are same sample space. So sample space is, here we can write S equal to set 1 1 1 2 etc. 1 6, then 2 1 2 2 etc. 2 6, like that 6 1 6 2 etc. 6 6. So these are the sample points in the sample space. This is set sample space. In this experiment, a black and red dice are rolled. So we are here, the color of the die is mentioned. So we have to mention which element represent the which die. So black die, suppose first element represent the black die and second element represent the red die, that you have to mention there. So let black die first number represent black die and second one represent red die, like that you have to mention. Then we can write the black roll. See the first question, find the conditional probability. We have to find the conditional probability of which event obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that black die is resulted in a 5. So that means first question when we consider A, first we have to mention which is the event E. E is the event, probability of which event you want to find. Conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. So sum greater than 9 means which are the elements in that event? Let E be the event sum greater than 9. Sum greater than 9. Sum is greater than 9. Sum is greater than 9. That is equal to, we can write the elements in the set. Sum greater than 9 means sum can be 10, sum can be 11, sum can be 12. So write these elements, sum is 10, 11, 12. Such elements we have to write in this set. So sum is 10. Which are the elements in this sum? Sum is 10. So one is 4, 6. Then we can write 6, 4. Then we can write 5, 5. Only these are the, in these cases, sum is 10. Now sum is 11. Sum greater than 9 means sum can be 10 or 11 or 12. Maximum 12 only possible. Because 6 plus 6, 12. Now sum 11. Which are the cases? Sum 11, 5, 6, 6, 5. These are the two cases where sum is 11. Now sum is 12. Only one. 6, 6. 6, 6. Sum 12. So these are the elements in the event E. Sum greater than 9. This is the event. Now probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9, given that, what is a given event? Black die resulted in a 5. So what is F? F, black die resulted in a 5. Resulted in 5. What is that event? Set. Write as a set. Black die means what? First die represent black. So black die resulted in 5 means first element should be 5. So here 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 6. That 6 elements, first black die resulted in 5. So black die means first number. First number shows the black die. So black die resulted in 5 means starting with 5. Here, this in between there is one row. That is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, etc. 5, 6. 6 elements are there. Black die resulted in 5. These are the 6 elements. Now we can write E intersection F. So E intersection F equal to common elements. Which are the common elements? Starting with 5. Here starting with 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. Only 2 elements starting with 5. So 5, 5, 5, 6. 5, 5, 5, 6. Starting with 5. So common elements. Now easy to write the probability. Now we want to find probability of E given F. Probability that sum is greater than 9 given that black die resulted in 5. So we want to find probability of E given F. So probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So that is equal to, write the probability. Probability of E intersection F. What is the number of elements in E intersection F? 2. 2 divided by total number of elements in the sample space, 36. So 2 by 36 divided by, then probability of F, number of elements in F. What are the number of elements in F? 6 elements. 6 by 36. So the probability, that is 36 cancel, 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. So that is the answer. Now see the question number B. Find the conditional probability of obtaining sum is 8 given that red die resulted in a number less than 4. So same way, first we can write sample space is the same thing. We have to find what is E, what is F. E is the event. Find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8. So sum is 8. And so what is sum 8? In which cases sum is 8? Write the event as a set. So 2 6, then 6 2, then 3 5, 5 3, 4 4. So 2 6 6 2, 3 5 5 3, then 4 4. Only that, these cases. Now F, what is the event F? Given that red die resulted in a number less than 4. Red die shows a number less than 4. Shows a number less than 4. Red die resulted in a number less than 4. Red means second number. So that is equal to, so in this case, second number less than 4 means it can be 3. So 1 1 1 2 1 3, only these 3 will be there. So 1 1 1 2 1 3. In that set only 3. Similarly, in each set there will be 3. 2 1 2 2 2 3. Because red die should be less than 4. So here only half will be there. So 1 1 1 2 1 3. Then 2 1 2 2 2 3, etc. 6 1 6 2 6 3. So these are the case of F. Now write E intersection F. E intersection F. Common elements. So here only this much. So 2 6. Here is there. Here 2 6 not there. 6 2 is there. 6 2. Then one element 6 2. So 6 2. 3 5 is not here. Then 5 3. Then 4 4 is there. For red die shows a number less than 4. So 4 4 is also not there. So only these two are there. So 2 6 is not there. 6 2 is there. Then 3 5 is not there. 5 3 is there. Only two elements are there. 4 4 is also not there. Therefore only these two elements. Now we can write the probability. Probability of E given F equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Probability of E intersection F. What is the number of elements in E intersection F? 2. 2 divided by 36 divided by. Then number of elements in F. What is F? Number of elements in F. So in each 6 into 3, 18 will be there. Half of that 36. So here 3 3 like that. 6 into 3, 18 will be there. 18 divided by 36. So that is equal to 2 by 18, that is equal to 1 by 9. So answer is 1 by 9. 2 by 18, that is equal to 1 by 9. So that is the answer for this. Okay.